Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. This is a passage about how crops can be traded on the futures market before they are harvested. Question: which of the following, if true, most weakens the argument above? The argument predicting a drop in the price of corn futures relies on news suggesting a good-sized corn crop. This prediction is undermined if there is at the same time news suggesting a small crop. Hence, option number 4 presents such news and is therefore the best option. Our answer is option number 4. Answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. The given question is, which of the following conclusions is best supported by the information above? The passage explains that the primary way hospitals have covered the cost of unreimbursed care in the past is no longer available to them. It follows that they have 3 options. First, finding a new way to cover that cost. Second, reducing it by giving less unreimbursed care or suffering a loss. This is essentially what option number 2 concludes. So option number 2 is our best option. The passage does not touch on kinds of medical procedures administered in hospital as in option number 1. Hence, it is incorrect. The passage gives no hint of who the paying patients are who do not rely on insurance, so option number 3 is also unsupported. Concerning option number 4, the passage actually suggests that it is false. So, our answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. The given passage is about the phenomena heart attack. The question: if the above information were true, which of the following conclusions can most properly be drawn from the information presented above? The major effect of anti-CLAT has been on patients who have already suffered a stroke. So option number 4, mortality rates can be reduced by using anti-CLAT in patients who have already suffered a stroke, is the best answer. Answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. The given passage is about carbon dioxide emission and greenhouse effect. The related question is, which of the following, if true, would tend to weaken the impact of the above conclusion? To the answer, option number 1 directly absolves the industry of the blame of increasing the carbon dioxide production by putting the blame on the automobiles. Hence, this is the most weakening argument. Answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. The latest step in the progression from management ownership to employee ownership is the movement to ownership by unions. Employee ownership can save depressed and sick units. The question: all the following statements, if true, provide support to the claim made above except all the options 1, 3 and 4 are positive in nature and support profitability. Hence, they are not correct. 1, 3 and 4. Option number 2 talks about the very opposite things, so it is the best answer. Answer to this question is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.